a star that can't wait for the night. I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. Why can't I see you tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts burning, and the thrill of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much from the yearning. Why don't you show up, make it alright? Yeah, it's alright. And if you promised you'd love so completely, and you said you would always be true, you swore you never would leave me, baby. Whatever happened to you? And you thought it was only in movies, as you wished all your dreams would come true. It ain't the first time, believe me, baby. I'm standing here feeling blue, blue. Yeah, I feel I'm blue. Now I will stand in the rain on the corner and watch the people go shuffling downtown. Another 10 minutes, no longer, and then I'm turning around, round. The clock on the wall's moving slower. Oh, my heart, it sinks to the ground. And the storm that I thought would blow over clouds the light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Oh, that I found. Hey, babe. Whoa. Hands on the clock, just don't seem to stop when I'm thinking it over. Whoa. Tired of the light, I just don't seem to find. Gotta get away, get away. Whoa. I see my dreams, but I just don't seem to be. Gotta get it all, gotta get it all, gotta get it all, gotta get it all. And now my body is starting to quiver, and the palms of my hands getting wet. I've got no reason to doubt you, baby. It's all a terrible mess. And I'll run in the rain till I'm breathless. When I'm breathless, I'll run till I drop. Thoughts of a fool's kinda careless, just a fool waiting on the wrong block. Oh yeah. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Light of the hater. Light of the hater. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Thank you. Couple of fools in the sunshine playing Fool in the Rain. Thank you guys for dancing. That's what's
Thank you
up.
so much.
That's awesome.
All right, we're
You guys gotta fight for your right to party.
That's right.
I mean, it's already been fought for by the Beastie Boys. You just gotta exercise it.